Okay, so as I said before, I got to repair these tiles over here. So now I got this. It's got a quick release on it now, and a diamond blade. That blade was almost 20 pounds, and I had to buy something to get that quick. So it cost me 40 quid to get this thing started. So I'm gonna. There's something wrong with the Ryobi tool. I don't think the low end speed is low end anymore. It seems like it just goes straight to high almost. But I did notice I put a bit on there and spun it and turned it up high, and it spun so hard it bent the shaft on the thing. So that's on one. Can't go any lower. If you try and gotta go just slow. Slow and easy. Well, you get the idea, I think, yeah. So I gotta try and get these loose without prying on them very much. And I've got a steam gun, a wallpaper stripper. I might put that on there to see if it'll soften things up. Because if you start prying on these things, they will break unless you're very lucky. So some more cutting, and then we'll see if we can get the steam going. I think I better get